Hello. We are the crazy people.
We're going to test this out. This is Uncle Nemo, and it's a unique design, vertical takeoff and land. So let's have a little look at it from afar. The fuselage, the light blood red, is lightweight PLA. The maroon is just normal PLA, and the white is this BASF product. Now guys, if you're doing 3D printed planes, that white stuff is the bee's knees. It's as hard as a bull's forehead. It's $44 for 750 grams, which is about 3/4 of a kilo, as compared to PLA, which is about $35 a kilo. So a little bit more expensive, but the mechanical properties of that is, I reckon it's worth it. Anyway, we've done some mods to the Nemo as compared to the original Nemo. So you'll see that it's got a Voltager tail on it, and I just did that because I just didn't want to make the other one. The little tabs here where it fits together, I didn't put them in either. So what I've done is I've taped the back, and I've put some fishing wire as in underneath it. You may be able to see that. So that'll just stop it, because what I found was when we start powering up, the wings would bend up, and that's only an 8mm carbon fibre spar. Anyway, so look, it looks really nice. I think it's a nice design. It's a big unit. I couldn't fit it all in my printer, so I had to print it in a couple of bits. But anyway, I had to do a fair bit of re-engineering, because while the guy that designed it, he may have known what he was doing. To me, there was a lot of it that was a bit, 1 + 1 is 5, so you're trying to work that out. Anyway, what we've done, we'll have a quick look around. We're running some 950 kV motors with 10-inch props, and I can't put the cow thing on over that, doesn't matter, who cares. So we're just going to try and see if it hovers today. Maybe not the best day to try and see if it hovers, but we're going to see if it hovers, and just move around backwards and forwards and sort of pitch and do just a few commissioning tests. We're not actually going to take it right up and give it the bee's knees. It's got 3 positions for the pods. They're obviously up for hover, you got a transition, and then you've got fast forward flight, which is obviously straightforward. The original design of this ran on a KK 2.1 board. I'm running mine on a Teensy 4.0. It's got the 5060 IMU, and it's running S-Bus, and it's got an X4R receiver. It's sitting all nice and pretty in there. The IMU is sitting on the spar, which is the center of gravity. And a big shout out to Nick from Dreamflight, Nick Ream. Thank you very much, mate, for all the help for designing the software and sending that to me. And we did some tweaks and worked a few things out, and anyway, we're going to run that now. It's in hover mode. It's just a normal bicopter, so it's going to be in angle mode, so that's going to have limited movement, and then obviously when we get going, it's going to be in rate mode. I've got a fair bit of this lead shot up front because it is a fairly heavy copter. We'll shut up, we'll take it for a run, we'll see how we go. Now those motors do that, and I don't know why it is off. Look, you can see there's nothing that's actually on, but we're off. So what we've got there is we've got hover mode, and then we do that, we get a transition mode, and then we do that and we get fast forward flight. We've got ailerons, we've got elevator, up and down all around, so when you're coming back in the land, you up into transition mode and then you're back into hover mode. And hover mode you've got that, and with rudder you've got a little bit of rocking and rolling for yours. So anyway, without further ado, we'll stick the canopy back on it, and we'll just... Now, I haven't put magnets in there because I really hate magnets. So where can we take it? We'll take it just out here on the grass. It's really painful, that wind. Sort of gives you that should I or shouldn't I. So look, we'll do it just here. We'll put him into the wind and we'll see how we go. So will it work? Who knows? We'll do a little bit of maybe hovering, we'll see how we go. So we've got ailerons left and right. So the way that I've got it is when you pitch backwards like a quadcopter, it pitches backwards, forward is forward. She's not even going to get off the ground. We need to do something with the weight, and we need to do something with the motors.